Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Dynamite on the keyboard. We'll start by identifying the core chords that form the backbone of the song. Then, we'll explore the infectious rhythm, ensuring your playing has that signature groove. Finally, I'll guide you through combining these elements so you can confidently play this upbeat tune. Get ready to make some music. Let's dive into the essential chords for Dynamite. You'll primarily use 4 chords: B minor, G major, D major, and A major. These 4 simple chords are the foundation, repeating through the verses and chorus. Focus on transitioning smoothly between them. Try playing the root note with your left hand and the full chord with your right hand for a richer sound. Mastering these will get you halfway there. Now let's get that infectious rhythm down. Dynamite has a vibrant disco pop feel, typically played at around 116 beats per minute. For the chords, aim for a consistent 8th note rhythm, giving it that driving energy. Try to emphasize the 1st and 3rd beats in each 4-beat measure. Practicing with a metronome is incredibly helpful to keep your timing precise and steady. Feel the groove. Finally, let's combine everything to play the full song. Begin by playing the chord progression slowly, focusing on hitting the correct rhythm for each chord. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase your tempo until you reach the song's original speed. Listen closely to the original track to internalize the timing and overall feel. Practice each section individually before attempting the entire song. You'll be playing Dynamite in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.